Hello everyone, my name is Chris and I'm super excited to introduce to you a brand new Let's Play of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. This is my most favorite Ratchet and Clank game, and thanks to emulation, I can bring it to you in this enhanced format. So without further ado, let's begin. Enjoy.
Fuel lines,
Check.
horizontal stabilizers,
Check.
ion thrusters.
Looks like we got a tailwind. If we time it right, we can ride the slipstream of the grav train past the Seagrid traffic. Launch the mag grappler onto that pedway overpass and slingshot right up to...
Ratchet.
The thrusters are fine, Clank. See? Don't worry, it's probably just a fused ion duct.
Incoming message from Captain Quirk.
Ratchet? Clank? I've got a bit of a situation here at the Planetary Defense Center. Nothing I can't handle, mind you. Just a few thousand heavily armed robotic commandos, but I figured, hey, if you were in the neighborhood, maybe... Wait, aren't you handsome to die?
Heavily armed robotic commandos?
When aren't they heavily armed?
Are you sure this is functioning properly?
You worry too much. Planetary Defense Center, here we Clank! Hit the auxiliary thruster! You alright?
Watch out! Where are you going?
It's a shortcut. Trust me.
Ratchet, look out!
See? What did I...
Oh no!
Well, looks like we're going on foot. At least I can try out my new nav unit.
Alright, here we are. As you can see, the graphics look way better than they did on PlayStation 3. I have not played this game in over 10 years. I'm going to do my best to not talk during the cutscenes so we can all enjoy them together. And I'm struggling to remember controls right now. That's the gun. There we go. Okay, here we go. It's been a long time since I played this. Like I said, I'm playing on an emulator, so I'm not actually using a PlayStation controller. I'm using an Xbox controller, because it's just what I have that happens to work with this emulator. Alright, so what I can remember about this game, once you beat the game, there is a challenge mode, which I would like to do at some point. And I remember upgrades being very expensive, so I'm trying to go around and get all these boxes. Oh, hello, citizen. Well, I didn't really mean to kill the citizen, but, you know, here we are. Dead citizen. So I don't actually know where all of the like collectibles are in this game, but the ones I do remember, I'm going to try to get them. Let's see, let's take care of these little robots. Here comes some more big baddies. Alright, let's go back here and get these boxes. Looks like I don't need any health. Alright, oh yeah. They're robotic commandos because they're naked in their little robot suits. I forgot about that.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action
Okay,
button.
let's do this.
The left stick to select your weapon.
Oh, okay. She means switch weapon. Okay, yeah, I don't need to switch weapon right now. So we'll just continue on with this, shoot the robots out of the sky, and try not to get hit by their bullets or die. Because that would be embarrassing.
The Lombax is to be considered armed and extremely dangerous. Set
Nope.
blaster to
Looks like I missed a box, but oh well. We'll just continue on. Go up here. Ooh, a bunch of robots. I know what they say about more robots. They're all dead now because I brought a big gun. Alright. All of the bolts. We need them all. Oh. Killed another random citizen. Oh yeah. I remember these. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I should probably pay attention to what's going on. Because I'm watching the background. Jump again, jump again, and jump again. And go around the corner, come down here. Get these boxes. Please don't kill me. You're dead. Alright, let's get these guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up. Alright, let's go over here. Let's get these boxes. Alright, get some more ammo. That's always good.
To enter aim mode, press and hold the look button. You can then aim using the right stick and move using the left stick. Press
Or
the
you can
R1
just
button to
strafe.
fire.
I've already figured out strafing, so remember that from before. Let's go ahead and take this guy out. Oh, oh, don't hit the jump pad. Okay, there we go. Now hit the jump pad. Isn't it so pretty? Don't shoot me. Okay, we're good. Oh yeah, we're gonna go ride those train rails. Citizens. Oh, 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 oh. Little robots. Don't shock me. Don't shock me. Don't shake me. Don't shock me. Don't shock me. Shoot me. Alright, there we go. We got him. Let's get all these bolts. Some more ammo. Alright. Okay. Go this way. Go across the crumbly bridge. Oh, oh.
Ratchet, the sky
Don't get me.
bridge is collapsing.
I know, Clank. I know. Karate chop ya. Alright, we'll take these guys out. So my very first Ratchet and Clank game. Ooh, level up, level up, level up. My first Ratchet and Clank game was Ratchet and Clank Death Clocked on PlayStation 2. Ooh, another level up. Take some more damage.
Weapons upgrade automatically as they are used. This increases their damage and adds new modifications.
Oh, got hit. Thank you, nice GPS sounding lady. Alright. Go up here, get all these bolts. Oh, accidentally. Didn't mean to kill that citizen, now did we? No, that's always an accident. It's never on purpose. Alright, get some more ammo. Some more bolts. Alright, look at that. We're nearly at 10,000 there. Alright, let's get on the rail. It's hard to believe this ran on a PlayStation 3. With all the destruction of the buildings and how much is going on. Even if it was at only 720p back then. Oh, we got some more baddies. Oh, that one's dead. And you're dead. And I'm gonna smack you. You're dead. Alright, let's get these. Shoot the fish. Or blob alien thing. Fish blob of alien spice. And we'll jump up here. Forcers? That doesn't sound good. Uh-oh. Hit me again. There we go. Got my health back. Die fishy. Oh yeah, I can throw it. Completely forgot. So if I hit right trigger.
Ratchet, the Planetary Defense Center is 200
Square on a
cubits below
PlayStation
us.
X on
How
it.
do you propose we get down?
Xbox.
I don't know. I'm kind of winging it right now.
I can probably think of a way to get down. And I noticed he said 18 or 200 cubits. Cubit is 18 inches. So I guess that's 300 feet. They're trying to sound smarter than just saying feet, I guess. Alright, let's shoot all these baddies. And jump. And we'll go across here, shoot these baddies, get some more ammo, shoot some more baddies. Uh-oh. And now we're falling.
Just had to invade during rush hour.
Alright, and I have turned off the 6-axis because I'm using an Xbox controller, so it does not have that. So, as we fall down here, and apparently I get smacked by a car.
Looks pretty quiet. Where's Quark?
Greetings, citizen. I'm away from my post at the Planetary Defense Center. Please enter the number that best describes your emergency. If you are being attacked by radioactive amoeboids, please press 1. If you've been ingested by a mutant space eel, please press 2. If your city is being attacked by a massive deadly space armada, please press 3.
I believe you may be their intended target.
You think?
Oh, they're coming to get me. So, I'm going to do my best to not talk during cutscenes. It's really hard to not comment on them. Alright, so we're going to dodge some trains, looks like. To the left. To the right now, y'all. One hop this time. Oh, looks like 2 hops that time.
Sensors are picking up structural
And 2
damage
more.
to the grind rail.
Let's go up here. Jump. Jump. Let's go up here.
Ratchet, that warship is
Jump.
killing us.
Jump. Jump again. And jump again. Wish I could do flips like that. And jump again. And jump again. Jump again. Just notice Ratchet makes very odd faces when he's jumping.
Behold, the last Lombax in the universe. Truly a pathetic specimen of the race, I'm afraid. So weak.
And you are?
Emperor Percival Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Cragmites, conqueror of space and time, and, pending the obliteration of a few insubordinate species, ruler of the universe.
Your name's Percival?
Emperor! See the crown, see the scepter, a giant walking throne and legion of loyal robotic commandos. Emperor! Not that a treacherous furball like you could... What's this? Such a primitive robot companion. And your kind used to be such renowned engineers.
Oh, I'd be careful if I were you. He's got posomorphic blaster cannons in each fingertip.
My gripe is not with the people of this arcade planet, but with you. Surrender your deathbot, and simply allow us to kill you. No one else need be harmed.
Fair enough. Here you go!
Alright, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in for episode 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.